Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to
Hi friends, today we are going to Orappan waterfall. So we are going with the friends today. So for a change, hopefully we'll have a nice scene or a good waterfall. So then we will go to Peachy Dam. So let's see how it is. We are now in a place called Pattikad. This place is located in Thrissur district. This is very near to Peachy Dam. It is assembly election going on in Kerala now. So you can see the banners of all political parties on the road. My friend saying that there is a beautiful temple on the way. So we decided to stop here and see around. In fact, this is a good temple. It's in a good location. There are water around and a peaceful atmosphere. So it has a Shivalinga, big Shivalinga, which is not very common in Kerala. So it's nice temple. So nice to see. It is an interesting fact that most of the temples and churches in Kerala are located either on a hill or a river bank. It's always a nice experience to spend some time in these places and purify your mind. We are near to Peachy Dam. Let us go and drive around the Peachy Dam and see the tourist attractions here. This yellow building is like an information center. All rivers in Kerala has been displayed here. So here we met the real YouTuber, Achil content manager. Okay, now let us go to Peachy Dam and drive around little bit. Normally you will see so many people here, especially the school students are visiting. But due to COVID pandemic, there is not much tourism here at this stage. In fact, there is so much to see in Peachy Dam. You can spend the entire day in Peachy Dam with your family or friends. Today I am not taking you into the Peachy Dam to show the dam in detail. I will have another video dedicated for Peachy Dam. So please make sure you subscribe my channel and press bell button so that you get notification when I upload that video. There is a nice freshwater aquarium in Peachy Dam. It's a really very large aquarium. Actually I wanted to stop there, but I realized there is no dedicated parking space, so I decided I will make another visit. I always like and enjoy driving in these narrow roads. Anyway, let us have a small snack. So we will have sugarcane juice. Normally when we go for a long ride, we stop often to have this sugarcane juice in the roadside shops. It is so relaxing. So now let us start our journey to the real destination, the Orappan waterfall. This is an awesome waterfall, although it is so inside interior, so you have to walk a little bit. The car won't go inside. So we lost the way once. We came back. Finally, we find the route. This area is so good for developing between mountain biking or even as a trekking area. When I visit such places, I always wonder about our government attitude towards promoting tourism in these amazing spots. Unfortunately, people are into huge projects, bigger budgets, and ignoring such areas which can give good income from tourism development. So this is our first view of the water. Here these rocks are very hot. When you step into the rocks, your feet is burning. But the water here is amazingly cold. The landscape here is like two levels. The upper level, this one is like a reservoir. Then the water fall down and flow through the rocks down. Every time you come here, the scene is different because based on the water level, what you see is different. Some rocks will submerge under the water, so it is never enough to visit this place. So let us move from Orappankun. We will go to one place and have a bath, and we will end this video. Okay, now we are at a great place to take a bath. We will take a bath and then we will wrap up this video. The water comes from the Pichi Dam, so it is clear water, although it looks little dirty, but it's clear water. To get my name in, someone now we need to go for a long drive, so it is always good to take a cold bath so that you will get extra energy for the drive. This place here is not so deep. Although I live near the bank of river, I am a good swimmer. But here our friend is little hesitant to go into the deep water. So it is safe here. It's a really nice place. So friends, here we wrap up this video. So as usual, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button so you won't miss any videos. Thank you.